Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. The task which would be having today is PPTD. You will be shown a picture for 30 seconds depicting a certain character, age and mood. Regarding the picture, you have to write a story. You would be given 4 minutes to write the story and 30 seconds to record or observe the picture. Ladies and gentlemen, after 4 minutes, we will also be having a activity which is known as narration. In this activity, you each and everyone would be narrating his or her story. But while narrating your story, be brief and try to come to a conclusion or try to narrate or sum up your story as soon as possible in round about 45 seconds to 1 minute. From chest number 1, we would be starting the narration. As soon as chest number 1 finishes his or her narration, or I understand this concept of his or her story, I will be shouting the sound next. It is an indication for chest number 2, that is time has begun. Simultaneously, I will be shouting next. It is an indication for each and everyone sitting on the left hand side that his time has started. As soon as I shout the sound next for chest number 22, it is an indication for all of you that your time for group discussion has begun. Group discussion, you need to come to a common story or a common conclusion. And after that, after a healthy group discussion of 4 to 5 minutes, or it can be extended to 6 to 7 minutes, you would be nominating a member from your group to narrate a common story. Any doubt?
No, sir.
You don't need to record any observations on the sheet. You need to write straight away a story regarding the picture. Any problem? Start the narration.
So from the picture shown to us, I have perceived two characters, one male, one female, ages ranging from around 35 to 40, and both are in neutral mood. So Rishi was the wife of Risha, who was an IPS officer serving in Uttarakhand police. As his husband had an activity for 8 hours, therefore he got a bit tired. Therefore Rishi boiled some water for bathing, gave him some clothing which he felt relaxed, and prepared the dinner for him. They had the dinner together, and after that they watched a movie together and had some conversation with each other, and then went to sleep.
Next.
So the picture shown to us, I perceive two characters, one male, age is around 30 years, and one female, which is age is about 17 or 18 years. So Divyanshu was a senior inspector of Rizpur district. So one day when he was at his home, he saw that his younger daughter was playing with his pistol, unloaded pistol, which she got it from his drawer. And Divyanshu took the pistol out of his daughter's hand and teaches her a lesson not to touch it again, as it can lead to a serious situation.
Next.
So the picture shown to us, I perceive two characters, a male of age around 30 and more positive, and a female age around 27 and more neutral. Ramesh, a police officer of age around 30, get a call from an unknown number that someone is getting to try to suicide in Durga Colony Road. So after hearing that, he directly went to a house and found a depressed woman sitting. So he asked, "Are you fine?" So she replies that she doesn't want to live and want to suicide.
Next.
From the picture shown to us, I have perceived two characters. One, Rajesh, whose age is around 25 years, and other Meena. Rajesh is a boy who is 25 years old who works in the MNC company. One day when he came back from his office, he saw that his sister was upset sitting on the sofa and watching the news. He asked him after the problem. About the problem, his sister told him about the current situation, that how the population of bird flu is decreasing through the bird flu, which is affecting their population. Rajesh listened all this and told.
Next.
From the picture shown to us, I have perceived two characters, and my main character is Ramesh. Ramesh was an actor. One day while filming a scene, media came there to cover up the shooting. The scene was of a villain, that was Ramesh, terrifying a kidnapped girl with his gun.
Next.
Ram was a DSP. Once when he came to his home, when he started to change his clothes, he found that her daughter is upset. He asked her daughter why she is upset. Then her daughter replied that she is unable to clear the UPSC exam. As Ram was a DSP and he has cleared the UPSC exam previous, so he teaches her daughter how she can crack it. He bought an academy subscription for it, and then he also he also give him some tips and tricks so that he can clear so that she can clear the exam in future.
Next.
From the picture shown to us, I have perceived two characters in my story. The central character of my story is Sunil, age about 30 years, and he is in positive mood. The other character of my story is Sakshi, who is in negative mood, age about 25 years. Sunil is a bank manager who is currently posted in Roorkee. He has recently married. Weeks after their marriage, the lockdown happened in our country. Then one day she found his wife being very upset sitting in a sofa, so he argued about the matter. After consecutive attempts of trial, he was able to know about the problem of his wife. This happened due to which she was not able to meet with her parents. He argued about the matter. He was able to know about the problems of his wife. He was also aware of the fact that how difficult was it to a newly married woman to adjust in some other family. So she decided to video call her parents and also try to comfort her by telling that she should think of his parents as her parent, and in this way he was able to comfort his wife.
So in this picture, I basically perceived two characters. Age around there was a male around 35, and there is a daughter of her around 12-year-old. So according to my story, George and Seema are the couple. Seema is an IPS officer posted in Allahabad, and Rajiv is a bank manager. And he lives with her daughter, who is the student of class 6. From last few days, he perceived that her daughter is quite sad because of missing her mother. So there was a festival coming nearby. While the Diwali festival, he took the leave for a few days, and he went.
Next.
In this picture, I perceive two characters. The central character of my In this picture, I perceive two characters, and the central character of my story is Sushant. So Sushant was from Mumbai and a very enthusiastic and very entertaining person. He had a very joyful nature, and he used to enact Bollywood scenes from the movie which he was received, and wanted to become an actor. He does many small roles as background artist, and one day while shooting for a film, he was seen from a famous director saw him and was deeply influenced by his acting skills and decided to give him a shot. So
Next.
From the picture, I perceive two characters. The main character of my story is Soham. Soham is a chief security in charge. He used to organize a big event he used to organize a big event. So he while going on a round, he saw a girl which is lost. So he asked her about what happened, and
Next.
from the picture, I perceive two characters, and my central character is Sukesh. Sukesh is a school teacher of Delhi Public School. One day, a girl of class 7 went to him as some of the student of her class has stolen her notes, and also exam were going to head soon. So in the interval, she went to her class teacher in the cabin and told her all the problems regarding her notes. So Sukesh, after the interval, asked the students of her class to return her notes, as nobody accepted that one of them has done this. So Sukesh very kindly provided her.
Next.
From the picture shown to us, I perceive two characters. Both are male, and one of them is in positive mood, and another one is in negative mood. So my story goes like this. Rahul is a tutor who used to teach mainly the student of 10th to 12th class. During the COVID-19 pandemic, he used to teach his student online. But one of them, student Vicky, is not attentive. But when the time passed and the day of COVID-19 passed, his 10th board exam came, he was in depression. As he is not attentive and do not learn anything much, he called his tutor for the help. His tutor Rahul helped him to learn things better and easily to pass the exam. Also, he motivated him that he has a
Next.
Ramesh was a hard-working and talented teacher, but not getting enough money for his work. So one day after a stress day, he went to his sister's home. Sister's home. After long and fruitful discussion, sister advises him to join any online platform.
Next.
Meera was a student who just have completed his class 12. She decided to take a leave and chill for some time. So he went to his father's farmhouse for some days. When she reached there, she found that someone is already inside the house. She immediately called the police, and also went inside the house to engage him. She acted like she doesn't have any clue that
Next.
she
Sujay, who works in a private company, one day due to heavy load of work, he stay in his company to complete that. He informed his wife that he could be late for dinner, so he informed them. When he reached home, he saw that his wife was sitting in sofa waiting for her to eat the dinner together. Sujay's wife after that sets the dinner for him, and after the dinner she gave him a massage.
Next. Good.
Dhruv works in an MNC, yet to know about his promotion from his senior. He also tells him that he has to work in their foreign branch, for which he has to go to the UK. Dhruv was sad as he was newly married but was passionate about his work, so he decided to tell this to his partner Anju. At first Anju was a bit sad, but then she agreed to Dhruv and gave him permission to go UK.
From the following picture, I perceive two characters. One is a male of 30 years and another is a female of 20 years. Zoeb, a businessman involved in drug dealing and human trafficking, was at his home, which is also his illegal office, with Leela, a student from another country, brought into captivity by Zoeb. On receiving a phone call from his partners, he got to know that the city police got one of his men arrested.
Ramesh is a doctor and also a family man. He has a loving wife and a daughter studying in the 7th standard. Ramesh comes home from his office at late night daily. One day when he came to her home, he saw her daughter watching television at late night of her favorite show, and in order of watching the TV, she felt sleep. Ramesh was very hungry, and in order he went to the kitchen and get some snacks which is prepared by her wife, and while having a snack she watched television.
Now picture shown to us, I perceive two characters. One is Rakesh and another is Rashima. Normally the day is passing from Rashima. She is sitting on sofa watching TV serials, and suddenly his dad Rakesh will come after completing a half day of his office. He reaches to his home and he saw her daughter sitting on sofa comfortably, and he become angry.
Next.
From the picture shown to us, I perceive two characters whose range is ranging from 25 to 30 years. One is male whose mood is negative, and the female mood is neutral. Yes, was the CEO of a Reliance company in which the sales of the product was rapidly going down. As the new companies were trying to beat his company by launching new product, and his companies was failed to fulfill the demands of the public. Therefore, his company suffered a huge loss. Now he has his wife named Ravina was thinking that what would I do to recover my company's wealth. He has totally gone in depression, and then her wife told him about some other ways to maybe start his company with better and advancing minds.
Next.
In this picture shown to us, I can perceive two characters, one male and one female, both aging around 35 to 40. My story goes like this. The main character named Dave was a detective, and he was very good at his work. In his career, he has successfully solved many cases. One day when he went out with his wife for dinner and come back, and he saw that everything in his house was messed up, and he got angry as he didn't like messed up things. So he knew that something is wrong with his house. He checked the safe and other things, and he came to know that his wife's jewelry and the money of the house was stolen, and her wife was become sad and started crying as he and his wife has from working hard has earned the money and buy the stuff, and he was a detective, and he found some footprints in the house, and he also asked his neighbor that if somebody had come into the house and stolen something, and as he was living in a building.
Next.
Rinki is a BA student doing her thesis on sociology of movements around the world. While watching news about the ongoing farmer protest in Delhi, she discusses about it with her father and other elder people, so that she can learn about a common.
Next.
So in this picture, what we basically perceived, there was a daughter, it was a girl, and there was a man in this picture. So we can say they can be a father and daughter. So as far as the picture is concerned, my opinion on this picture is like they can the daughter's mood is looking quite negative. So she can be missing something, or she can be missing someone. So we can go into the story like she is missing her mom, who is
exactly. I agree with what Officer Speaker has said. As we have seen that there is a gun, so we can make the main hero as a police officer who has looking from its action, it is quite evident that he is just coming from his office and he is trying to get relaxed now. Does everyone agree to it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So gentlemen, we can go like we can also add like that his daughter is watching a TV serial late night, as the previous chess number has said that, and so he decided to after on seeing that he decided to inform to give him a to teach her daughter a lesson. He advises her to not to watch late night shows.
Exactly. He will tell him about the ill effects of the TV on the eyes, about the UV radiation that go inside the eyes, and the bad effect that it has on the head. And
also he will also tell the daughter about the how to manage the time and to focus more time on his studies instead of watching the TV.
And he also later told aware her about the UV rays which can affect her eyes, and later he also suggested her to wear blue cut lens which can protect her eyes while watching TV. And she had to also
we can also said that as test number 6 said that the daughter was preparing for UPSC exam and his father is guiding her about time management and everything all.
But the girl is looking.
Okay, we can add this in our story that the girl was preparing for the exam and the father saw her watching late night TV show. So he told him to focus on studies instead of watching time.
Gentlemen, we can say that the girl is crying. So we can say that the father meant.
Gentlemen, I totally disagree with you. I don't think the girl was crying. We can
take something like that. The girl realized her mistake, and due to which she started focusing on her studies now, and she was able to clear her exam.
Okay, so gentlemen, I think this is
gentlemen. Yes, I agree with the gentlemen. Also we can add that the daughter's father said him to focus on studies and watch online classes instead of movies and other shows.
He previously told that his mom was not in the home, so we can say that she was watching.
Gentlemen are partially agreeing because as most of the gentlemen are saying that we can say that the father advised him that you have your priority should be the studies, and you can also watch shows, and you have to just manage the time.
Yeah, because most of the teenagers now and because these days teenagers are quite devoted towards electronics things, so that is why his father also advised her to focus on her study, as well as she can also watch TV, but it should be some watch from a distance, so her eyes can be protected.
He also told her that there should be a perfect balance between your studies and the time in which you can watch any movies and other serials, whichever.
Okay, gentlemen, nominate a member from the group to write a common story.
So, gentlemen, I would like to go for the story.
So as far as the
I feel that Abhay should be given a chance, as he has put the maximum points, so I feel that he should be given a chance to narrate this story.
Yes, I agree.
All agree with the man?
Yes.
Stand up and narrate a common story.
Okay, so as you can see from the story that there are two characters. So the elder one is the father, and the female one is her daughter. So the father comes late night at the home, and he saw that her daughter is watching late night TV shows. So he decided to give her daughter a lesson. So he instantly takes the action and taught her told her that as you are preparing for the examinations, so you should more focus your time on studies instead of watching TV shows. He said
okay, then thank you. It was really nice experience with you. Thank you all.
Thank you.